The pleated air filter removes dirt and debris before they can enter your chainsaw's carburetor and engine. The filter should be inspected often and replaced at least once per year, or more is needed. A damaged air filter will allow debris to pass, which can plug the carburetor or cause serious damage to the cylinder and piston. A plugged air filter will restrict airflow, causing reduced engine performance. Replacing the air filter is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the air filter cover from the saw. Now remove the air filter. I just simply pull this wire lever down and the air filter will lift out of the way. Now I can install the new air filter. I place it onto the air filter base, making sure it's aligned, and lock it in place with the lock lever. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the air filter cover. And that's how simple it is to install a new pleated air filter in your chainsaw.